sign shop, and you can see some entertaining shows at the Palace Saloon. Over to your left is the Hacienda, where we'll be having lots of great special events throughout the season, along with some other surprises.
The left-handed person got her way.
I get a good video of this. That was nice. There is a bee wasp or whatever we call it. I don't know, I might steal your video or something.
Of course you are.
Yeah, where's that marshal at, huh?
Look.
Nope. I don't know.
Oh, maybe they're in the saloon watching the show.
I don't know. That show don't begin for another hour.
Well, maybe they're inside just getting some fresh. Oh,
Yeah. I'll tell you what, I have an idea. Go check the general store, deputy. Ask the clerk if he's seen anybody about. I'll go inside the saloon. Donnie, if you don't mind, go ahead and deliver that payroll shipment, all right? All right, I don't like how things look around here. Let's make it quick.
now, look at what we have here. It ain't no doubt to say. It's a little heavy there.
Hey, dude, I knew it was back. You back down?
quiet back there so we decide to come on out here and see if they want me to work about. Yeah, that over there is Chase Montgomery. He's looking for some work too.
Pleasure to meet you.
Wow, what you got in the box there?
It's just a stronghold for the
Well, it's looking mighty heavy from here.
Yeah, I tell you what, we ain't doing nothing at all. So why don't we help you with that? We don't mind. Oh, it's no trouble at all. We can sit. You take that end over there. I'll take this end over here. We'll go right over here.
Going to the bank?
Say
Get my door for you.
where nothing terrible can ever happen.
It is the Tweetsie way.
Bless you.
Oh, man.
You're welcome.
Right on in here. Yeah. Yeah, now, not that it matters, but this is a darn daylight train robbery! That's right, we're gonna rob all these here passengers. We're gonna take that gold shipment, and oh, don't you worry about you little townspeople. We took care of them this morning.
Well, let's just say they're nice and comfortable with the rest of our gang. Well, that was easy. What's the plan now, Duke?
All right, now, let me take these long and long to figure out what's going on out here. So what I want you to do, get in that general store, take care of that deputy. I'm gonna wait for the sheriff out here. All right, you people! That's character, daylight train rock. You know what that means? That means I'm coming amongst you to get you going. Get you valuable. So don't give me no lip. Maybe nobody can get hurt.
Dude, what do you think you're doing? I thought I told you to stay out of trouble.
Oh, well, now, with a train full of people and a gold shipment, you don't think I can do that now, do you, Sheriff?
All right, I've had enough of you. Go ahead and put those hands in the air. Why not?
Get out there!
Now then, you're going to holster up them weapons, and you're going to get on that train, and you're going to get us that gold shipment of Toronto.
All right, listen, I'll put my gun away. We're going to talk about this like men. Do it. You're a daisy if you do. Deputy, get rid of that dynamite. Hey, what's that over there? Deputy, are you all right?
Yeah.
What in the world's going on out here?
Howdy, Marshal. We caught a couple of fugitives trying to cause some trouble.
Fugitives causing trouble. I said we throw them in that jail cell right yonder.
Sounds like a plan.
Now you see why I have my camera turned?
That was good for me. Dear Sheriff, stop. We have the hostages here at Fort Boone. Stop. Take the train up to the fort and face us. Stop. Oh, and bring the ghost shipment. Stop.
Well, now, it looks like you lawmen are in for some trouble.
Well, Sheriff, I reckon we ain't got much of a choice. We're going to have to take these fugitives with you. Get this train on up to Fort Boone. I'll follow as quick as I can.
Sounds like a plan. Donnie, go ahead and get that gold shipment back onto the train. Duke, get on the train. Don't cause any more trouble. Got it?
Fine.
All right, folks, listen up. We're going to be heading to some dangerous territory. If you have a shotgun, I suggest you go ahead and get it loaded. Who knows what we might run into out there. All right, Mr. Conductor, wants to go with the board? We're ready to head on out.
All right, if you will, please return to your seats. Casey Jones, we have to go aboard. Let's take the train on up to Fort Boone.
You are something else. Okay, he's gorgeous.
Like I said, we have to be prepared for anything. Take your seat. We'll get on with up to Fort Boone and see what the trouble is all about.
I can't really turn around. I thought I was the river.
Just beyond this canyon is Fort Boone. We'll be making a short stop there. Should be safe, but stay in your seats, folks. Our cowboys will check things out.
All right, Deputy, be ready for anything.
Somebody actually delivered like right at your house, like right next to the Mary lives every day.
Well, look who finally decided to show up. It took y'all long enough.
You? Where's the civilians at, huh?
Not so fast, Sheriff. We'll talk about that later. Where's that gold shipment I told you to bring here? We're getting it. Well, no, I don't have all day.
Actually, we're gonna take as long as we need to get those civilians back. Got it?
Seems like you still just fight left in you, Sheriff.
Yeah, he's got some fight in him, all right, but not enough to take care of old Dookie.
Oh, come here. All right, you two, that's enough. Now listen, Sheriff, I ain't waiting no more. Get that gold or else.
All right, you got what you want. Now just hand over civilians, okay?
Yeah, I'm not gonna do that.
What? Well, why not? Well, because we always put them sacks on the train and send them far away from here where they ain't never gonna be seen again. And we got you right where we want you, and we got what we want right there.
Well, looky how the turns have turned.
That's right. There ain't nothing you can do to stop me now.
That's true. I have not looked in the box. Let's see what we got here.
Well, spit it out. What is it?
That's very disappointing. All we got is plenty of cards in there.
What kind?
Aces and eights.
Oh, like a dead man's hand.
Dead man.
Dead man's hand!
Come on, now! That's right. You sit on there and you take whatever you are. You got it, Deputy. Come on. Don't do it. Don't do it. All right, you two stay right where you are, all right? Dottie, what is it?
I just got word that the townspeople escaped the dead horse gang and on their way back to the frontier. Well, how'd they do that? Apparently, bandits forgot to put a log on the cell door.
Well, it looks like these bands aren't the brightest after all right? So you two are under arrest and
we get back to town. So get back on the train.
What happened?
Get.
Came up with the plan.
It was a good plan on paper.
Well, it didn't work. Marshall, you got her?
I'll take care of old Dakota. I'll make sure she gets back to jail.
Sounds like a plan.
Y'all be safe heading back into town, all right?
All right, everyone, please return to your seats and how about a great big round of applause for the Tweetsie Cowboys, Cowgirls, and Trooper Dogs. Casey Jones, let's get this train on back to town.
Phew, that was a close one. Well, let's head on back to town and I'll tell you a little bit more about the train.
Everybody okay?
You may be wondering where the Tweetsie Railroad's historic locomotive number 12 may be. Well, number 12 is undergoing a full renovation in our own locomotive and machine shop here at Tweetsie Railroad. After 107 years, it's time for a new firebox. Plus, this was an opportunity to put in all new boiler tubes and other components. It's a complicated process and will take a few months to complete. But we expect to see number 12 back in service before the 2026 season. In the meantime, locomotive 190, the Yukon Queen, will be taking on the road. Many of the earliest settlers in the area lived in simple log cabins, much like this one. They're small and have good floors, but they kept the family cozy and warm during the harsh mountain winters.
Had a kid staring at us or staring at me. Now it's sucking one. That was a real bear. This train will be going much faster.
It's an improvement to the Tweetsie Railroad train route. On your next visit, we hope to have something new for you. In the meantime,
Oh, so they plan on making something new right here. They plan on making something new right here. They plan on making something new over there.
looks like our train trip is just about over. We sure hope y'all like what you saw. We'll be pulling back into town in just a few minutes, and you can treat yourself to some good food and cold drinks. Maybe take in a show at the Palace Saloon, or visit one of our many stores and get a souvenir to take home. There's a lot to see and do at Tweetsie. Ride the rides at the country fair, or head up to Miners Mountain and pan for gold or other precious gems. Visit the deer park soon. There's more rides and shows up there for little ones of all ages. Then, if you want, come on back and ride the train again. Things are always changing out here in the Old West, and you never know what might happen next. pharmacy located today can give you directions to wherever you want to go. Don't forget you can upgrade your ticket to a season pass just by visiting our ticket office.